Hi guys, I'm Mr. Rahul Mabde, Google certified trainer, and I have been certified for last 4 years by the Google, and I conduct training sessions on Google apps for the education. So today I'm going to conduct training, a very basic training to start with on the Google app which is known as Google Classroom. So when we sign into our Google Chrome, we see these 9 dots here which is known as Google Apps. Once you scroll down, there are different apps available, and out of which is trending more is Google Classroom, which is known as LMS, Learning Management System, and which is widely used. It was previously available only with the G Suite program, like for the institutional domain names, but now it is available for the normal users also. So let's start with it. Once I click on this, so you see these are the classes created by me for my students for different subjects where I teach, and also I have been enrolled as a co-teacher by other teachers in their classes. So there are different classes you can see. So how to create a classroom for your subject area, let's learn that. You could see here there is a plus button, create or join a class. Now when we see join a class, this option is for the students who wish to join the class created by a teacher, and create class is the option for the teacher who wants to create a class for the given subject. So let's click on the create class. So class name is required. Say I'll write here Google training. So section I'll write, for example you can write SYBCom, TYBCom or MBA, or I'll write general, or even I can write here professional development. And what is the subject? Now this is the class name. I have given the class name. Then section name. What is the subject? I'll write here Google Apps for Education. So this is the must you should create, and room number which is optional, not necessary. Once I create this, you all can see is getting created. It takes time. And it's in front of us. So now you see this is my working area. I can see my subject name, I can see the section professional development, and I see something here stream, classwork, people and grades. We should know each and everything. These are the 4 things you are going to work, and this is the thing which students is going to see. Okay, and here the class code is given. Now what is this class code? You're supposed to give this class code to your student so that student can join your class. Okay, so student, how they'll join, we have seen previously. Student, when they come to the classes, we have seen there is a plus button, join class, give them the code and they'll join the class. Now here you see there is nothing been posted here. Now how I'll post this? Now there is a stream button, there is a classwork, there is a people and grade. Now let's see how to add students or even a teacher. Now here I can add, type the name of the teacher, I can type any other co-teacher or the principal or the head here, and students. How to add the students? Either you type email or give them the class code. It's so simple. Now classwork. Now what is the classwork? Here you can add a small assignment for the students. Forget that Kami assignment, that's the little extension I've added. Then there is a quiz assignment. For example, if I'm putting some quiz in the Google form, I can take a maybe flash quiz with the students, or you want to give a discussion questions to a student, or I can create a material. So suppose I create assignment, I have to give the title of the assignment and the instructions to the students, and it is for how many marks, when it is due, I have to give the time, due date, etc. The calendar pops up, and topic, is it related to topic 1, topic 2, topic 3, and also there is some I can add some document or maybe YouTube video. Maybe I want students to write some assignment based on YouTube video, and also I may create for individual student a doc or something I can create here, and it will be posted. Now it should be posted to all the students or the individual student, maybe specific students. Okay, so this is related to assignment. If I want to post some material, I can use that, create material and post it. And this is the stream, how it looks like. There are topics. When I create the material, the topics are given here, and also grades. I'll explain the grades part and other advanced training in my next video. Thank you everyone, thank you so much.